Do with a dollar. EM Real.
Real crew. EM Real. Right back at you with another episode of What to Do with a Dollar. Now this episode is the building construction of the Airbnb has started. Let's get to it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Let's roll. All right. So the last several videos, about 4 of them, that was about 5%. What did we talk about? With permit, survey, takeoff, and land prep. Now we're going to get into about the next 20%, the actual building process of the home. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now, we've got the land and we have the pad out there. I'm going to show you some pictures either over here or over there. I'll show you some pictures. All right, that being said, now we have to do the frame of where the foundation will be. Number one, the frame. So you have the plat of your land showing where the house is going to be based on the staked off survey. But then you have the land there, but you have to set the frame for where the foundation is going to be. That's number one. You'll see my guys, they come out, they set the frame, you get the wood, you know, the 2x12s, you set it up. It is about, you know, those 2x12s, of course, a foot wide, tall, and you set the frame. That's number one. Then number two is, after they set the frame, the plumber. The plumber has to come in. What does the plumber do? He roughs in the sewer, the sewage pipes, the PVC. So that's the next thing. Second thing with the building process. You set the frame. Now you're roughing in the plumbing. You're going to have where all the drains are for your sinks, kitchen sink, bathroom sinks, the tubs, and toilets, and your AC. Yeah, your AC. So you're going to have the rough end. So that plumber has to come in and actually put the sewer PVC in the ground. I'm showing that somewhere in the video as well. Then it has to get inspected, and it's got to hold for a second, so the inspection there. So that's number two. Number three is then your foundation crew. After the plumber is through, they come and they do the footings for the property. All right, footings. If you don't know what footings are like the legs on a chair, the wheels on the tires on a car. The house has to actually stand on concrete, but it's in the ground. So the load-bearing walls, the outside and maybe the center wall, has to have concrete that is probably a foot high and a foot deep, a foot above the ground and a foot below the ground at least. If you're building a taller building, that's what would be more. It'll be taller, but we're not building a commercial. We're building just a small residential home. Okay? Now that's the third thing. And the last thing is, once they get the footings, oh, by the way, the footings showing you a picture of where it should be in this video somewhere. And the last thing, we're going to pour that concrete. Now that's the coup de grace. You're pouring the concrete and setting yourself up for the slab. I love to see it poured. I'm going to show you a small video, probably while
pouring,
I'm talking, to see how
third
my
truck.
guys are pouring the slab.
10 more.
So on this quick video, this is giving you now the foundation process. This foundation process is totally about 20% of the building process. So we got the framing, the plumbing, the footings, and then pouring the concrete. I'm Ian Real. Stay tuned as we keep the building process going. Till next time, deuces.